Our purpose is our dharma. Dharma is something we carry within our soul. Even before we are born, we sign a blueprint at the soul level of why am I going into this life. And the purpose starts with yourself first. So I started first healing my life because we all have our own traumatic baggage as we're growing up. And as I found answers within my soul, I just realized that I wanted to give this gift to the world, something that I had found in myself. One phrase where I read in our one mantra, which I would chant, Aham Brahmasmi. That means I am the Brahma and the creator of my reality. But when you look into life, we are only the victims. So that took me deep into diving to recognize agar ye likha hua hai Aham Brahmasmi, or another mantra which is one of my favorite, Shivoham. That means I am the Shiva. But where is the Shiva in us? It's buried somewhere deep down, and like you said, हम एक animal instinct से ही जीवन जीते हैं. So this passion to find out the divine in me, to move beyond my animal instinct, to move beyond the human instinct, to find divinity within me, was what drove me to here. And once I found that nectar inside me, I said, I want to give this light to the world now.
You mentioned two mantras, which is Shivoham and Aham Brahmasmi. But you know, when I read this mantra, although it felt very peaceful and calming myself, but the sad thing was I never understood the meaning of this mantra. I mean, sadly, we don't study Sanskrit anymore. I think, do you think that the awareness of our, because we don't understand Sanskrit, that's why we don't understand the meaning, and somehow mindlessly we chant, although I'm sure effects of the vibration we do absorb, but the meaning which we are chanting without a guidance, we don't get that meaning, you know, and we don't absorb the entire power of that energy.
Like I told you, transformation is a combination of information and experience. Okay? So when you have the right knowledge, it's very important to recognize that we all have a brain that wants the meaning of everything. And once we get the scientific meaning, logical, our brain is logically wired. Once our brain is fed with logic, right, it instantly acknowledges and accepts the vibration and the feeling of the mantra, and that becomes an auto-programmed memory, and you start believing in it, right? However, it's not about embodying the meaning. We are so programmed with all the trauma, and we are so programmed to be the victims of our reality that momentarily we can experience that I am the Brahma or I am the creator. But we don't want to take on responsibility that ये जो negative मेरी life में आ रहा है ना, वो मैंने create किया है. अगर हम बोल रहे हैं हम ब्रह्मा हैं, तो negative भी तो हम ही ने create किया है ना. But वो responsibility हम लेना नहीं चाहते because we love to blame other people that what wrong is happening is because of them, but the good things that are happening are I'm creating it.